If you can dream it, you can build it. Dream of designing a device that will change our lives. Now imagine you can make it happen. Make it real. Make it fast and powerful. Make it intelligent and make it learn. Make it analyze and predict. Make it fun and creative. Make it look sharp and gorgeous. Make it friendly, user-friendly. Make it efficient and productive. Make it smart and connected. Make it prevalent and extensive. Make it secure and protected. Make it safer and autonomous. Make it sound clear and pure.
Make it speak
And understand. Make it free, truly wire-free. Make it sweat and stay in shape. Make it grow and make it nourishing. Make it all happen with Ceva. Ceva licenses ultra-low-power signal processing platforms and AI processors. Ceva's IP powers more than 10 billion devices worldwide. Dream it and make it with Ceva.